welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining us again. Today's agenda is Russian tea cookies with no nuts. These are super simple, not very many ingredients, no eggs, great to do. The first thing you want to do is take 1 cup of butter and a half a cup of confectionery sugar, the white sugar, and you're going to blend that all together. So I have that in my bowl and we're going to get to blending. I have to say that making cookies is a good joy and a pastime of mine. It brings back memories of being with my mom and my grandmother, and so making these Christmas cookies is great. What's made it even more special this year is this Viva home mixer that I got for Christmas, and I love these stainless steel Joy Hill cups and measuring spoons with the little plastics on them. They don't bend, they don't break. These are awesome. I just got these this year too. So I have a lot of new really good kitchen gadgets, and it's made this such a breeze. So let's mix this together. You're gonna preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And once this is mixed together, then we're going to add in the flour and the salt. So you'll only need 2.25 cups of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I have that right in here. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna add in our flour and salt, and we're gonna beat until it's combined. I'm gonna drop in the flour and salt. Got that all in. I'm just gonna beat this up till it's combined. So these, like I said, these are Russian tea cookies. It's a 1/4 cup of butter softened, a half a cup of confectionery sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/4 teaspoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna use 1 to 1.5 cups of confectionery sugar in the end. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine this all together. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator for an hour until it's good and firm. And then we're gonna roll them into balls and place them on the parchment paper in your oven. And as soon as they come out, while they're still hot, you're gonna roll them around in that confectionery sugar. All right, so we got that all blended up. We're gonna put it in the, not the oven, in the refrigerator for 1 hour to firm up. It's been an hour, so we pulled this out of the refrigerator. We have our cookie sheets lined with some parchment paper. We're gonna roll these into walnut size balls and place them on the parchment paper. They will not spread, they just kind of puff up a little bit, so you don't need a lot of space in between. We spared you the boring part and we got them all rolled out. I did let a lot of space in between, but you really don't need a lot of space. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the oven. And now I just pulled them out and they're piping hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick them up and we're gonna drop them in the confectionery sugar, roll them around, and then put them back on the cookie sheet or parchment paper to let them cool. And that's it, they're all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look down below for the recipe that's going to be posted in the description. If it's not there right away, please check back. I do turn around and come back and upload the recipes. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.